Hi guys, if you want to disable phone link on your Windows 11 PC, then let's see how to do it. To disable phone link at a startup in Windows 11, first of all, open the phone link app. And on the phone link app, click on settings icon. And then go to general settings. And on the general settings, scroll down. And now from the system section, simply click on app behavior. And now here you will see these two options. To disable phone link at a startup, you have to simply uncheck these two options. Make sure, first of all, you uncheck this option, open phone link when you are signed into Windows. Because at first, if you uncheck this option, start phone link when I sign into Windows. If you uncheck it, this option will be grayed out. So make sure, first of all, you uncheck this option, then uncheck this option. You can see, first of all uncheck this option and then uncheck this. And now both the option will be unchecked. And once you have disabled these two options, click on this related link, change the startup apps in Windows settings, simply click on it. And now from the startup section, scroll down and find phone link, here it is. And make sure the phone link at a startup is turned off. And after that, simply right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. And on the task manager, go to our startup apps. And from the startup apps, find the phone link and make sure it is disabled as well. And this way, you can easily disable the phone link at a startup on your Windows 11 PC. And in case, if you want to remove device from phone link app, for that, click on settings icon and then go to devices settings. And now here, you will be able to see all your linked devices. To remove device from phone link app, simply click on this 3-dot vertical icon and then click on remove option. And to confirm it, again click on the remove button. And your device will be removed from the phone link app. And similarly, you can remove any device from your phone link app. Simply click on this 3-dot vertical icon and then click on remove and then again click on remove button. And the device will be removed. And in case, if you want to remove phone link app from Windows 11 completely, then follow this method. To uninstall phone link app, first of all right click on the start button and then select terminal admin option. And now on the Windows PowerShell, you will have to simply copy and paste this command. I have given this command in the description below. You can copy it from there. So let's copy it. And now simply paste the command here. And then press enter. And once this command is executed, phone link app will be removed from your computer. Now simply close it and restart your system. And after that, when you go to the Windows search and type phone link, you can see there is no phone link app on the system now. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily disable phone link on your Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.